Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's weekly live demo of our ATM chain uh, function. And in the last week, we have demonstrated that we have a ATM chain explorer, and it can uh, show the blocks and the transaction details that happening on the blockchain. And we also showed you that we have our gateway, or we call it bridge, that can connect Ethereum mainnet with the ATM chain mainnet. And the value of this bridge is to transfer your digital assets freely between two blockchains. So on the Ethernet, on the Ethereum blockchain, you can use the tokens to transfer to anyone you would like to, and exchange it to other cryptocurrencies or fiats. But on the ATM chain mainnet, it's our mainnet, so it's much more uh, used in the advertisement industry. That means you can use the token to publish advertisement and consume advertisement and get rewards from the advertiser as a user. So today we will bring you one step further. In this gateway page, that we can transfer both from home to foreign and from foreign to home. So first of all, we just have a review of our uh, home to foreign operation that we have showed you last week. So we just see it again and know how it goes. So if we transfer 1,000 ATM tokens from our home account to foreign account, then there will be several seconds to finish the transfer. Let's wait a moment. Because it's on the blockchain, so on the home, which is the Ethereum, it's take more time, but on the foreign, it's just our ATM chain, and the blocking creation time is fixed as 3 seconds, so it's very quick. Okay, just now it's finished, and you can see the balance. The home account just reduced 1,000, and the foreign account increased by 1,000. That's okay. Then if we switch, that means we change the direction from foreign to home. Also, we input the 1,000 token amount. So let's try what happens. It's also the transferring from one chain to another, and just the opposite direction. So everything you can imagine similarly. Okay, it's done. So for on the foreign account, it reduced 1,000 ATM tokens, and on the home account, it takes a little bit time, so we need to reload the page, try to refresh and see how. Okay, then it's done. That means we have transferred forth and back our ATM tokens between the two blockchains. Easy to understand, right? So next part, we will try to illustrate our advertisement depth. Last week, we have showed you how to publish an advertisement using the internet, using the ATM Chain Explorer. And we have now entered this screen management page. That means we can see all the advertisement published on the chain, and we choose some of them that we are interested in and binding to our or your screen. So suppose that this account, he has owned two screens. So one screen is a real screen, a physical screen beside us. So we try to bind one screen one advertisement on the screen and see what happens. So let's do it. We choose the ID of the screen as the physical address. Okay, then the information will be submitted to the blockchain and calling the smart contract. And a few seconds later, it will take place on our uh, physical screen. Okay, it's on, but you cannot see it because that we are recording our desktop. Then we switch to another camera. Then you can see what happens there. Okay, and we switch to a new camera, and this is my iPhone screen. It's a better way that we can see the real screen, physical screen that's standing beside us. And on this screen, you can see that we have a 42 inch size monitor, and it's a multifunction screen equipped with also a camera, and this camera will be used to implement the face recognition to check the user's identity. And now we can use the QR code on the right bottom side of the screen. And if you scan this QR code, and you can claim yourself as a valid user, and in your attention will be rewarded the according ATM tokens. So, and on the screen, which is playing the advertisement that we just placed on our ATMChain Explorer. So it will be displayed immediately in real time after we have done it and write it to on the blockchain. Uh, use the smart contract. So let's see what happens if we scan the QR code at the right bottom side. And the app that I just opened on my phone is the WeChat. You know that WeChat is very popular both in China and outside China. And in China, more than 90% people are using this app. So it also means that people can easily access our DApp, advertisement DApp and ATMChain very easily. So that is a good way for us to promote. And see, let's do it. Scan the QR code. Okay, then it automatically directed to a page, and on the page it explains that the ATM reward has been distributed to your account. So let's change to our wallet and see what has the new distribution of ATM tokens into your ATMChain wallet. So if I choose my information, you can see there are many transactions. All the transactions is reward from the advertiser. And the last one is that I just showed you. One ATM claimed successfully. And if you click into this transaction hash, you can see the transaction details on which block and the timestamp, the account of the advertiser and your account, and the transaction uh, fee and the smart contract API, such so information. And on the top side, you can see your account balance. That is 48.984 ATM tokens. If you click into your account, and you can see your balance is also the correct value and registered on the blockchain, and you can transfer the ATM tokens to anyone you would like to, and you can also uh, exchange to other cryptocurrencies or fiats on exchanges. Okay, that's the whole application that I want to show you about the ATMChain advertisement. So next step, we will go further to promote our application in several exhibition and the technical meetups to see that our application on the blockchain is very solid, and we have adopted the uh, advertisement or smart media industry on the blockchain technology. Okay, that's for today's demo. Thank you for watching. See you next week.